In an exciting development for the electric vehicle market, General Motors has unveiled the Wuling Hong Guang EV, a compact van that merges affordability with a striking design reminiscent of Tesla's sleek aesthetic. Priced at an astonishingly low $10,000, this innovative vehicle aims to capture the hearts of budget-conscious consumers while providing a viable alternative for urban transportation. The Wuling Hong Guang EV has quickly garnered attention, not just for its price point but also for its modern design that features sharp lines and a minimalist profile. This eye-catching exterior is clearly inspired by Tesla's design philosophy, which has become synonymous with cutting-edge electric vehicles. The front fascia, complete with angular headlights and a prominent grille, gives the Wuling an unmistakably modern look, making it stand out in the increasingly crowded EV landscape. With the rising demand for electric vehicles globally, the Wuling Hong Guang EV positions itself as an accessible option for consumers who might otherwise be priced out of the market. This affordability is especially significant in emerging markets, where lower-income families are seeking cost-effective solutions for everyday transportation. By offering a practical EV at such a competitive price, GM aims to promote the adoption of electric vehicles and contribute to a more sustainable future. Equipped with a modest yet efficient electric motor, the Wuling Hong Guang EV delivers a respectable performance suitable for city driving. The van has a top speed of approximately 62 miles per hour, making it ideal for urban environments where rapid acceleration and high speeds are less of a priority. With an estimated range of around 150 miles on a single charge, it provides ample power for daily commutes and errands. This range is particularly appealing for city dwellers who require a reliable vehicle for short trips. The interior of the Wuling Hong Guang EV is designed with functionality in mind. Although it may not boast the luxurious features found in higher-end models, it offers a spacious cabin that can comfortably seat up to 7 passengers. The van's layout maximizes interior space, making it a practical choice for families or those needing to transport multiple passengers. With ample storage compartments and a straightforward dashboard, the focus is on utility rather than extravagance. One notable aspect of the Wuling Hong Guang EV is its commitment to safety. While specifics on safety features have yet to be fully detailed, the vehicle is designed to meet modern safety standards, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. This focus on safety is crucial, particularly for families who may be considering the vehicle for everyday use. As part of a broader strategy, GM has partnered with Wuling, a Chinese automotive manufacturer, to bring this electric van to market. This collaboration not only leverages Wuling's established presence in China but also enables GM to tap into the rapidly growing EV market in the region. With China being the largest electric vehicle market in the world, the introduction of the Wuling Hong Guang EV aligns with the global push for greener transportation solutions. The launch of the Wuling Hong Guang EV also underscores the increasing competition in the electric vehicle segment. As more manufacturers enter the market with budget-friendly options, established brands will need to adapt and innovate to maintain their market share. The Wuling serves as a reminder that electric vehicles can be both affordable and stylish, challenging the perception that high-quality EVs must come with a hefty price tag. Consumer reactions to the Wuling Hong Guang EV have been overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its design and price point. Early interest suggests that the vehicle could become a popular choice among budget-conscious families and urban commuters. The combination of a modern aesthetic and practical features makes it an appealing option for those looking to transition to electric mobility without breaking the bank. In conclusion, GM's Wuling Hong Guang EV is a game-changer in the electric vehicle market, offering a budget-friendly solution that does not compromise on style or functionality. Its Tesla-inspired design, coupled with its practical interior and competitive pricing, positions it as an attractive option for consumers looking for affordable electric transportation. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to grow, the Wuling Hong Guang EV stands as a beacon of accessibility, paving the way for a future where sustainable mobility is within reach for everyone. With its innovative approach and strategic partnerships, GM is not just participating in the EV revolution, it is actively shaping its future.